All right. Hello, trader nerds. Welcome in. How are y'all? Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds like AAR and Coach C and Gary and Hal and Jim B and John D and Mike Smith and Mo and Schwaz and Scott and Sid and Soda Junkie and Steve and Vicky. All glad to be with you guys today. So welcome in. The market's doing what the market's doing, going back up. We are in an uptrend, but notice that we've got some wicks on the top of this. What does that mean? It means that we're running into a little bit of resistance, as we say in lower Alabama. So watch this. We got AD at 352, very high. The VIX is at 13. The VIX isn't giving up the ghost, is it? It's staying bid, and we're in the opening 15-minute range, just trailing VWAP. We're kind of going where VWAP goes and going a little bit above and coming back to VWAP and just kind of staying down. The hourly mid band is going up as well. And there's a pivot point there. So cash open, we're close to the cash open, I guess, around in this area. So really nothing to see here, but what's this? Back on July the 1st, we drew the big green monster, and the big green monster is showing us that there is resistance right here. We're seeing resistance, and we would expect that to be the case. We are fairly priced. Now, it may, the more times it pokes into this, it may go up into this area, but if it does, it will be overbought for the fair value zone below. So we're thinking that we're going to be having a pullback at some point in the next few days. You would think the next 10 days, definitely, that we're going to see a pullback into this area here. It's just and look, the 50% line is right on the value area low, the one standard deviation below the, whatever this is here, the point of control. Isn't that cool? I actually sound like I know what I'm talking about, but I don't. But the big green monster does what the big green monster does. It is amazing. So let's look at the expected move. Let's see if I've got that expected move chart here. Let's see, expected move. What does it look like this week? SPX expected move. Okay. Yeah, looks like we're almost at the top of our expected move thingy here. So let's move in a little bit and see if we, yeah, there we are. So, you know, the expected move has been going up, 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 and up. So we're indeed in an uptrend, and we are just along for the ride. So let's see how our little bitty account is doing today. We hadn't traded it since last Thursday, and today is the 16th in the year of our Lord 2024. Let's see if we made any money. Now, how much money should we have made? Well, we have $400 per day of, no, that's not $4. We only got 120. I started to say my deltas were my theta. We didn't have a lot of theta, right? Now remember, Bertino, Mr. Ron, tells us that this fake theta that we have, the negative theta that we've been having here is fake theta. Is he right? So, because we would have only made $100 if the theta, well, depending on if everything had been equal, but of course we've been going up, so we're getting money from the deltas too. But we shouldn't have made a lot of money. So let's see what we did make. Y'all ready? We are at, thank you, Joe. We are at 200. Everybody's, I got to do my thing here for a second. Hold on, then I'll give it to you. 281, 590. 4.24. We're up $847.24. Rico, get that band fired up, baby.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the east side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Y'all, I don't know about y'all, but that looks like an all-time high. We are up $36,000 on the year. Waka, waka, waka. Look at that, $36,896. Money, 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 money. That's good, isn't it? All right, so let's see how we're doing here with our Greeks and ratios. Our Greeks and ratios are 438, 381, 438, 381. So I like my deltas going down, 438, 381. Wow. We must have put some trades on or something to get that delta up. We said that the VIX was hovering still at the 13 level. And our buying power. Now, remember, you can use this buying power if you want to, but we want to be a little more granular. So go into capital requirement Oh, heck. Let's see. Cap requirement and go into this area right here and refresh that. And so we are at 148,680. 148,680. 148,680. That's going down too. Good. Look at little Bobby go. Look at little Bobby. Little Bobby is the man. Now let's see if we've had any GTC orders, Phil, in this little account, because this may be a short little session. We ain't not really much to do. Let's go to activity. Let's go to our field orders, and we had a GTC fill on the 14th. And today is the 16th. So that indeed needs to be updated. We had one on the 11th. And when did we last trade? Let's see. We last traded on the 11th. So let me see if I put that into my spreadsheet here. We last traded on the 11th. So we did a short hedge. Let's see what we did here. Give me a second, y'all. We harvested 30 cents, 7-Eleven at 12.26. Looks like I may have put that one in manually. So that we probably did that together. And then we had something fill on the 14th. So the 11th was last time we traded. So let's see if we put that in. On 7, when did we do that? 7-Eleven at 12.26. We bought some 2,800 puts at 12 cents. Let's see if we did that. 2,800. The best way to do that is to go Control F and see if we can find 2,800s. So let's find, and where's it at? Right here. And we closed those for 30 cents, and we did it on the 11th, should be. Yep. So we already put that in. Okay, good. So we didn't put that 714 trade in, so let's put that in. So let's see what we did. On the 14th, we harvested another 12 at 10 days to go. Oh, that's what I did. Remember, I let them go and I said, yeah, I should take them off, but I'm going to let them go down to 20 cents. And that's what I did. So 10 days to go, we harvested the 4150s, 12 of them. So let's go find those. The 4150s. Let's see, 4150s. Probably be better to go Control F again and find the 4150s. Next. There they are, 12 of those with 10 days left. So we close those at 20 cents. And we did it on the 14th, we said, right? And look, we've got another closing little thing here, 7/14/24. So we made a profit of $1,786.32. That looks really, really good. Now, what else is over here that says I need to close? These are at, and I might do it because here's the deal, y'all. Remember on our Greeks and ratios? Greeks and ratios, we're at 52%. That's running a little bit hot. And we're a little bit hot on our theta over here. So what you do is you go, oh, I need to get that down to about 50%. So what we could do is go back over here to the trades, and we could, let's see if that's the only closing signals we got here. Looks like it is, doesn't it? Yeah, we could close these short hedges with 15 days to
The one
go.
right above that, you got -4. It's already closed at
Oh,
long hedge.
thank you so much for seeing that. I didn't know. And in the new spreadsheet, it should identify that. But thank you, Hedge, or Hal. So that was 4 days ago. So today's the 16th. So this one closed on the 12th. So let me put 0 there and 7/12/24. The new spreadsheet should catch that. I didn't update it this one yet. Let's make sure there's nothing else with 0 days on it. Only got 3 days on that debit spread. So let's go back here. So we can close this is the Black Swan Hedge 24, the 4,000s. Let's see if we can do that. Black Swan Hedge 24. So let's go to our positions. Black Swan Hedge 24. Help me find it. There's 23. Here's 24. So we could close these because they're only 15 days late. They're 92% profitable. And let's see what we can close these little boogettes for. Close position. That's going to really help our hedge to 1875. Yeah. Hold on. Something doesn't look right. That doesn't look like that would be an 1875. Let me go back to that. BSH 24. These are these. P and L on these are trade price was 315. They're 92% profitable. What am I missing, Hal? Close position. Full 21 of those. There it is, 25 cents. I started to say something looked really, really wrong. So instead of 20 cents, we could do 25 cents. And I bet I got a GTC in on those. So let's go back to activity. Let's go to working. And let's find those. 25 cents. Here they are. That's got 15 days to go, those 4,000s. So let's replace that order. And let's go to 25 and get out of them. And we are out. See how easy that is? So now let's go put those in. We did 25 cents on our hedge, 0.25, and we close those out at 7/16/24. Now, if y'all have not signed up for Muscadine Mafia, we're going to have a great Muscadine Mafia. I almost want to show you now, but I'm not going to show it. But we've got a really great thing on the Analyze tab coming up on Friday at after our regular session at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So y'all be a part of that. It's going to be a really great session. But now, if I put everything in here right, now I have, let's see, we should have 162 shorts and 265 longs. Ladies and gentlemen, not only that, but I have a credit of $8,744.84 for my hedges. Bobby, what does that mean? That means I ain't paid nothing for them. I've got all these hedges, 162 shorts and 265 longs. All that is for a credit. Now, when I fill these in, that's going to go down significantly, but I'm just telling you that right now, this is a credit trade, y'all. This is really good. We're putting trades on, and we've got 103 net long. Think about that. I've got 103 net longs in the hedge. Very, very good. That's how we want this to do and to work. So great session today, guys. Y'all are phenomenal. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all tomorrow.